Hey guys, it's Kim. Welcome back to today's episode of Budget Beauty Buys, and this is actually kind of a fun episode. So last week, well, I'll let you guys know, I film these videos on Saturdays now, and last week I filmed Saturday, uploaded, and then I went ahead and filmed on Sunday too. So I went to 3 different Marshalls, so I have all that footage, and then I'm going to include today's footage where I'm going to TJ Maxx. So I'm really excited that I have so many stores to share with you guys today, and if you have never seen Budget Beauty Buys before, basically I go around to Marshalls, TJ Maxx, Burlington, like any discount makeup store, Nordstrom Rack, haven't been there in a while, and I show you guys all the new makeup that's coming out that's at discounted prices. It is so much fun, and I'm so glad that you guys are coming along with me this week, shopping with me. If you're new, hey, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. I upload new videos every week, and I do Budget Beauty Buys every single week, and don't forget to tap that notification bell so you guys don't miss out on future videos. And let's just get on into my little Budget Beauty Buy shopping adventure today, and let's go find some.
Okay guys, so the first thing I found is this Honest Beauty Invisible Blurring Powder. This is $7.99. It's a translucent loose powder, and this is really cool. I haven't found too much from Honest Beauty, and they also have more from Honest Beauty. They have the Truly Lush Mascara and Lash Primer. This is also $7.99. And I found the Bare Minerals Gen Nude Buttercream Lip Gloss in the shade Must Have. This is $5.99. That's a really good find. The Anastasia Stick Foundation in Shadow. This is $9.99. And then what else do we have here? This Lip Fusion Lip Plumping Gloss. This is $5.99. And they have the Smashbox Be Legendary Liquid Pigment, and this is in Crush It. This is $7.99. and they have, this is empty, pure chrome glaze, there's nothing in there. Have the Smashbox X-Rated Mascara. This is $9.99. and then, oh my gosh, you guys, I have been looking for these. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, this is why I came out for the second day. I found the Becca Liquid Crystal Lip Topper Glow Glosses. This packaging is insanely beautiful. This is in Topaz Gilt and Amethyst and Geode. And these are so pretty. How much are these? Let's see. Only $7.99, you guys. That is insane. I'm so excited right now that I found these. Yes! I have the Smashbox Be Legendary Liquid Pigments. This is in Mauve Life. This is the metal shades. We have Mauve Squad and we have Petal Metal. And these are $7.99. So those are really exciting to find. And then they have this Smashbox Studio To Go Lips Kit, and it has a lipstick and an instant matte liquid lip, has an instant matte lipstick transformer, and this is $5.99. They also have the Shimmering Skin Perfector Poured Cream in Prosecco Pop. This is $9.99 from Becca. I also found the Milani Cream and Liquid Duo Contour and Highlight. They have Fair Light 01 and Light Natural. This is $2.99. And another drugstore find, the Maybelline Brow Precise in medium, and this is $1.99. I also found these Clinique Take the Day Off Micellar Cleansing Towelettes for face and eyes. These are $10.99. They also have these Clinique Pep Start Quick Cleansing Swipes. These are a little cheaper. These are $7.99.
So that Marshalls I was just at, I opened up those 2 Becca glosses. One was fine. I didn't actually end up getting it because the line was insanely long. But the other one, I was like, oh, can't wait to see what this color is. I opened it up and someone else had put a pure liquid lipstick in there. And I was like, you know what? Why do people have to do that? Why do they have to mess around with the cosmetics and the packaging and stuff? Oh, so annoying. So anyways, I'm at another Marshalls number 2. Hopefully find some more good stuff in here. So let's go check it out together.
So the first thing I found was in the clearance section of this Marshalls. This was so cool. The Anastasia Aurora Glow Kit for $2, and 4 of the shades were good. Then I found the Boscia little clay sponge. It was only $2 as well. I thought that was another good find. Then I found the Maybelline lip gloss palette, and the Goddess of Love highlighters from Makeup Revolution, which I love. And I found another Becca Crystal Lip Topper, and that is what the color looks like. Then I found the Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye Palette for $9.99, and the Becca Prosecco Pop Poured Cream highlighters. And I also found the Too Faced Pure Gold Pigment again. And I found the Semi-Sweet Chocolate Bar from Too Faced. This was $24.99. And the Ulla Henriksen Uncover the Truth 3-in-1 Cleansing Balm for $12.99.
So I feel like I just basically went dumpster diving at Marshall's because they had that clearance bin, and I did get a couple things. So I got that Boscia Cognac cleansing sponge with clearing clay. This was only $2, so I had to get it because I just couldn't pass that up. And then I'm gonna show you guys, I got that glow kit for $2, and it's a hot mess, you guys. It's like, it needs to be cleaned and sanitized like twice over, but for $2 I thought it was pretty good. I feel like I can fix it up, and like 4 of the shades, 3 to 4 of the shades are like kind of salvageable, so I thought that was pretty cool, and I felt like I was totally like in one of those Ulta dumpster diving videos. Seeing it for $2, I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna get it. I'm gonna rescue this sad little Aurora Glow Kit. So it's not terrible, it's only missing 2 of the shades, this one and this one, and this is a disaster. I'm gonna clean it off, and then I'm going to sanitize these because they're not bad, these 4 right here. I feel like I can save it. So for $2, I really thought it was a pretty good deal. And then I also found this gem, which retails for $36. I got it for $12. The Ulla Henriksen Uncover the Truth 3-in-1 Melting Cleanser. See, $12.99. And another one I could not pass up because Ulla Henriksen products, are such good quality. And whenever I see one of these products from his brand, I have to snatch it up. So I was so excited about this. So that's my little haul, my little fake Ulta dumpster diving haul. Okay guys, Marshall's number 3. Let's do this.
The first thing I found is this Anastasia matte lipstick in the shade Buff. I believe this was $7.99. It's a little hard for me to see when I record voiceovers, so that's why I'm always like, what's the price? So this is a really pretty like mauve shade, and this is the Becca regular lip glosses, the prismatic ones. And I also found another Anastasia lipstick, another matte lipstick, which was super exciting. And I found the Shade and Light Sage palette from Kat Von D for $9.99. And of course, tons of the Metal Crush eyeshadows, which I highly recommend. They are so creamy and great pigmentation. Then I found the Too Faced Lip Injection Glossy in Milkshake for $4.99 and a full size, and this is in Like a Boss. Then I found more of the Becca lip glosses, which was so fun. These are $7.99, and I found Champagne and Bellini.
Because I found tons of good stuff. Those Becca liquid crystal lip toppers, those were such a good find, and I found a lot of the colors, or like I found like 3 of the shades, so I hope I keep finding some more. The champagne one I think was my favorite one. It was like kind of that pinky orange champagne color, so pretty. And I found more of the Stila shimmer and glow eyeshadows, but I have not found the glitter and glow eyeshadows yet. I am still on the hunt for those, but I am so excited that those are popping up. That must be like one of my favorite finds so far. I didn't get one yet, but I am going to definitely be buying one soon from my Marshall's shoe shop because I feel like there were a lot in stock at that Marshall's, so I will go back there.
The first thing I found is this Impressions trifold little mirror, and this was really cool. They have great mirrors. I know you guys wanted to see more of those. And the Glam Glow Pout Mud for $7.99. Then I found this crystal clear lip gloss from Elizabeth Arden for $5.99. And the Becca Pearl highlighting stick for $12.99. Then I found this Yes To Primrose Lip Oil for $2.99. And the Milani Grapeseed Oil Lip Oil Conditioner for $2.99. And the Smashbox Be Legendary Lipstick in Unzipped Matte for $7.99. And the Marc Jacobs Covert Stick in Bright Now for $9.99. Also found the Stila Shape and Shade Custom Contour Brush for $7.99. And some Nuance by Selma Hayek powder for $7.99. and this Blemish Ready foundation in Clearly Medium for $6.99 from Bare Minerals, and the Stila Lip and Cheek Cream in Fuchsia for $5.99, and this Bare Minerals palette in the Bare Neutrals. This was $9.99. In the skincare aisle, I found the Boscia Peel Off Luminizing Pink Mask. These were $12.99. This is a really good peel off mask if you guys are looking for one. Then I found some Bare Minerals skincare for $12.99 and $9.99. And an Essie cuticle oil, and then one of my most favorite finds, the Stila Shimmer and Glow eyeshadow in Boheme for $6.99. This was so cool.
Okay guys, so the majority of this video is probably going to be on my phone and voiceovers because this memory card, I'm on my like regular vlog cam right now. There's no space left and I like can't delete anything off of it. It still just says I have 1 minute left to record. So I hope you guys are okay with that. But I'm at Marshall's and I actually went to this one last Sunday, so you guys are gonna see the same Marshalls twice in this video, but I just want to go check and see if they got any more of those Stila glitters in. I'm so curious, so let's go check it out.
So I found this pure highlighting palette, which actually looks so beautiful. I've never seen this before and there was no price on it, but look how pretty these colors are. It kind of reminded me of an Anastasia glow kit. Then I found the Kat Von D Smoke Shade and Light eyeshadow palette for $9.99. And I also found this Kevyn Aucoin. It's like a matte to glow highlighter, but it's also like a matte setting powder. And the lady at the register told me this was $24.99. And that glitter on top is just like an overspray. Then I found the Smashbox Camera Ready CC Cream.
Alright guys, last stop of the day, this like crazy trip. I'm actually gonna have 2, I guess, hauls in this video because I had one from last week's footage and then I'll have a little one from today. So I'm at TJ Maxx right now, so let's go and check it out. Hopefully they have some good stuff here.
The first thing I found was this Cover FX highlighting powder in Sunlight, and this is $9.99. I'll just show you guys what the inside looks like because it was already opened up. And then I found this Ico mascara duo. I really like Ico mascaras, and this was only $7.99. Then I found the Anastasia blush trios in Pink Passion. This was $10.99, and I also found Cocktail Party for $10.99. And then I found a Stila foil eyeshadow for $5.99. And then I found a ton of the Too Faced Melted Latex lipsticks. I found so many shades, and this is the first time that I found these here at TJ Maxx, so these must be new. And I'm just showing you guys all the colors. Then I found the L'Oreal Lumi Cushion foundation for only $3.99 and a Lancome Lumi cushion and the Becca Multitasking Perfecting Powder for $9.99. And I found the Smashbox Be Legendary lipstick for $7.99. Seeing more of those recently. And an Anastasia matte lipstick in Rust for $7.99. And a bunch of the Subculture palettes from Anastasia. And then I found these bins and they had some new products. So the Smashbox Be Legendary matte lipsticks and the Becca Champagne and Bellini lip topper, and also some Bare Minerals brushes for $4.99 and a Kat Von D lipstick and this MAC Lip Duo pencil and lipstick for $12.99. Found another Kat Von D lipstick, and then I also just showed you guys a close-up of the Becca gloss.
So I want to show you my little haul because usually I always show you guys my haul at the end of this video. So I didn't get too much, but I will show you guys what I got. So let me turn the camera on. So I got the Milani Moisture Lock Grapeseed Oil Lip Treatment. One of you told me that this smelled like cotton candy, and I'm sorry, I can't remember your name. If it was you, please comment down below. But it really does smell like cotton candy. This was only $2.99. I got 2 actually because it was so cheap. I got one for you guys for a future YouTube giveaway, and I got one for myself. It smells so good, and the wand, you can kind of see it, is like really nice and big, and it feels really good on the lips. So I really like that. And then I think I just got one more thing. I told you guys I did not get too much
on this trip because I got a few things last time. I finally got the Stila Shimmer and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow, and I got the shade Boheme. I showed you guys this in the store. So this is regularly $24 and it is $6.99 at Marshall's. Honestly, you really just cannot beat that. I totally want to wear it today. I'm going to get my hair done, so I want to make sure my makeup looks decent because I cannot get my hair done without having my makeup look good, or else everything just looks wrong. So this is the shade. It is beautiful. Look at it. Oh my gosh. So that is it, you guys, for this week's Budget Beauty Buys. I hope you enjoyed. Please comment down below. Tell me what you guys found this week. You know I love hearing from you. Finding out what you guys got at the store always like brings me so much joy, and I love chatting with you guys in the comments. I always try and reply to your comments because I appreciate them. I really do. So today's question of the day, lately I've been asking you guys some questions. Is there anything from TJ Maxx that you guys regret buying that you were like really excited about, and once you got it home you kind of were like, oh, I wish I didn't get this? So it's a little bit different from last week's question. So if you do have any kind of like product regrets, comment down below. And thank you guys again so much for watching. I love you so much. And next time you guys see me, my hair will be more blonde. I'm getting balayage today. I'm so excited. So that is it for today's Budget Beauty Buys video. Thank you guys again. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.